Hey y'all, welcome back to Wind Down with Lee. Y'all know how we do it. We get straight to it. And today I'm trying to beat the sun from setting before I actually complete my video. But I decided to do a lock update video because it's been a year. Like, it's been a year since I've given you guys anything as far as how many locks I have on my head. And as you will see, I lost a lock, y'all. Like, a whole freaking lock is gone. Okay, so y'all know I like to drop little gems throughout my video, and I also like to give you guys some advice at the end. So make sure y'all watch the entire video so y'all can catch those little gems and then advice, okay? People always ask me, what do you have, MICROLOCS or sister locks? I actually have MICROLOCS from what I know to be MICROLOCS because that's what we started out as. Okay, so another frequently asked question that I get is, why did I choose to get MICROLOCS? Simple answer. I didn't want to do my hair anymore, okay? I wore my hair in braids for like a year. And over the course of a year, pretty much I spent $200 to get braids every time that I got it done and or got my wig sewed on. And by the time I finished getting all that done, I could have had my hair in sister locks. So basically I had paid for this hairstyle maybe twice over. And so I decided I wanted to go ahead and just get my hair locked up so that I wouldn't have to, one, have the cost of maintenance on my hair. Now, reason two, I kind of had a phobia. I'm not gonna lie. I'm probably like 99% of the people that are like on the edge of thinking about getting sister locks. I felt like if I got sister locks, it was gonna stagnate me from being versatile when it came to my hairstyles. I had commitment issues when it came to one hairstyle. Like, that wasn't me. I was like, no way, heck no. Lies, all lies. I would tell you it is the most freeing process ever. I can braid these back into cornrows and I can throw a wig on top of this. I can get braids, as you saw. My scalp is just personally sensitive, but yours may not be. Only thing you aren't able to do is, you know, slick your hair up into a ponytail. But why would you want to do that? I'm just saying, why? You have locks, baby. Wear them. I'm just saying. Anywho, I digress. Let's move on to the next FAQ. Okay, so my light has come on because it has gotten a little bit too dark. Another FAQ is my hair type. My natural hair type before I actually began to lock my hair was a 4C, okay? Plain and simple. I was natural for, when I say natural, I mean I did not have any perms. I was natural for 3 years prior to me actually being locked. Before that, I had permed my hair probably about a year, and then before that I was natural for 5 years, and then before that I was always permed. Always had my hair in some type of braided style or some type of wig. Never really wore my hair out on its own. So actually seeing my hair in locks and seeing it natural for the first time really in life, like wearing it like this, it is fascinating. So another FAQ that I get is, how did I establish my grit pattern? And don't look at my hair, don't judge me, because I know my scalp is dirty. I want to say her name is Taylor Jane. I mimicked her grit pattern. So if you have someone on YouTube, I'm gonna drop a big hint, Wind Down with Lee. If you have someone on YouTube that you like and their hair type is the same as yours, you just may want to mimic what they actually do. That's it. It's not rocket science. Now, because y'all are y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all a secret. I really did not know like how big I wanted my hair in the beginning before I saw hers, right? And so I just knew from sister locks that I needed 300 plus MICROLOCS on my head, right? And so I just said, I want 300 MICROLOCS on my head. That's all I knew. Wrong, right? I know. Your MICROLOCS are going to swell. Another frequently asked question that I get is, how long does it take to retie my hair? Because I know you guys normally see me with my sister for 2 days, right? So yeah, it takes 2 days for me to get my hair retied with my sister, but that is because we are filming. Remember, we are making a video for you guys, and she also does the method. Gosh, I had the name of it. Someone put it in my video and they gave me the name of it, where she is also palm rolling and she is also retying and twisting my hair all at the same time. freeing. Gosh, I forgot the name of it, but she's doing all of that at the same time, as well as filming the video that we are shooting for you guys to see as well. Plus, that's my best friend, so we are just spending time with one another. So we're not really in a rush when we're doing it. We're just taking our time and enjoying each other and enjoying life. So that's how long it takes us, but you and your loctician may not take that long, and that's okay. Okay. All right, so let me go ahead and tell y'all how many locks I got on my head before y'all like comment me to death like, girl, hurry up and get to it. Now this next clip I'm gonna show y'all, I don't want to see none of y'all little judgy church faces over telling me about my hair. Okay, y'all, I just lost my lock right here. Oh my god, I was taking out my braids and it just fell out, the whole thing, right in front of my face. I'm so hurt. I can't believe this. Oh my god. With that being said, yes, I had a lock fall out, honey. Fall clean out of my head. Clean, it's gone. That was the clip. This is in real life. This is you seeing it right now. Thank God that it is really small and you really can't tell, like right here on the edge. Where'd it go? This is it. So I had a lock fall out. This is the spot. This is where it's missing. With the way that I wear my hair and the fact that I have 355 locks on my head, you cannot tell that it is gone. Thank you, God, sweet baby Jesus, that you can't tell that it's gone, but it's gone. In my next retime, my sister will show you guys how to reattach the lock that falls out. So make sure y'all come back for that video, all right? And yes, it's gonna take 2 days. No judgments, okay? Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Oh, how y'all was gonna let me get out here without telling y'all the tip? My best advice. I gotta tell y'all my best advice. Okay, so while my knees hurting and I'm minute down here, like, Jesus, make sure you choose the size of your locks wisely because they will thicken up, okay? Point blank, period. Just know if you choose them really big, they're gonna get even bigger. If you choose them really small, they're gonna get a little bit bigger. But if you go with the 4-point rotation, that keeps them kind of small. And if you go with the 2-3-point rotation, a little bit bigger, 2-point rotation, just a little bit bigger. So your rotation matters and your size matters. So make sure when you're choosing the rotation and the size of your parts, that you are choosing them wisely according to how you want them to be once they actually mature. That's all I have for now. Enjoy. Till next video. See you later. And don't forget to go back and watch my 1 year. My 1 year was so cool. I like that video. Yes. Let me get off my knees. I ain't got the mega knees no more. No.